Hi, this is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. Today we're going to learn how to add a product when you're hosting an auction. This is your home page, and you can see that you're logged in with your name underneath the Canadian flag. You'll want to click on Auction Setup, and that goes right to the home auction dashboard. So at this point, you've probably have set up your auction already with all the details that you need. You've probably added your dates and times already also to make sure your end dates and start dates are all good and your time zone's good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a product. So that is in fourth heading down where you just click on add new. So there's two ways to do it. You can click add new right here, or you can click on this tab and it'll come up and you'll see add new. Both will take you to the same spot. So this is your add a product screen. So what I'd like to do, there's a couple ways to add a product. One of them is using this little icon here by clicking on it, and it's going to take you to wherever you saved your pictures on your computer. So let's say this is going to be a barbecue. So we're going to put in barbecue here, barbecue. And we're going to say barbecue here, like new, only used on weekends. And that's okay. Now you can add more pictures too. You can go, well, you click on the little plus sign here, and let's click it here. Well, let's only do one because I'm going to show you how to bring in multiple groups of pictures. So the other way to do it, we use the icon here to add a photo. You also can click here, and that goes to the media library. So that's where you're going to see all your pictures. And for uploading files, you can drag and drop them in, or in this case, we're going to select them. And I'm going to select several of them to bring them in all at once. So I go select files, and let's go, what do we want to add in here? Let's go there and right over to here. You just hold the shift key down, and then we got 5 items. So we're going to bring all 5 items into our software, into our photo media library. And you can see all of them have picture or a little check mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you only want to bring in 3, we're only going to bring in 3. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go add pictures to products, and all of a sudden you see them right there. So even though I know this is a barbecue, I just wanted to show you how to bring in groups of pictures. So yes, you can use the little icon down in the bottom here, or you hit the plus sign and just click anywhere in the picture, and that'll bring in your pictures. Scrolling down, this is used pieces. We're going to say a starting price. You can put the starting price wherever you want. I'm going to leave it there. I'm saying it's donated by Family One, Family ABC. Product value, we're going to go on the barbecue is say $1,000, but it's probably, since it's used, it's only worth 500. And location, it's on the shelf. We know where it is, but we might say warehouse, back room, and we're going to add it. And then it'll just come up with a message that it's successful as long as I didn't miss any fields, and it says successfully added. So let's bring it into something else. Again, this time we're going to click the picture that way. I'm going to bring in this table here, click on there, bring it in here. We're going to call it a table. And then for your description, the lot number, we missed that on the other one. So you can add lot numbers, this will be lot 2, for instance. And this one is a new, we'll call it white table, whatever description you want to put in there. We got the 1 picture is new, starting price is okay. It's donated by local business. Product value is $700. And location, we don't have a location, but we can still put in showroom. And we can do that. And we add it right through there. So let's pick another one. We'll go through this little icon again. We're just going to click on that if I make sure I clicked on it properly. And we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to pick other pictures. And again, these pictures are totally, now let's undo that one. So let's pick this one, and you hold the command or control key down, and that jumps over a picture. And we want this one, and we want this one. We're just bringing some toy trains. So all of a sudden you got 4 right there, boom. And we're going to call it train set. And we'll call it lot 3. Fun train set. Down here, that's new. Starting price is the same. You can do it. You can change it to $100 if you want. Donated by ABC. Value is $250. And location, we don't have a location. And you click save. And then that product's added. Let's do another one. This one we're going to bring in, we're going to use the other way by clicking on the picture. And we're going to go out here to upload files. We're going to go here to select files. And we're going to pick some items that we want to put in this auction. If I can, in this busy screen, let's go cars. And again, you can hit shift and we're going to go right over there. Now, you wouldn't put different cars. The point I want to make is that you can put many different pictures in of the same products. So we're going to pretend this is all the same product. We're going to add all those pictures in there. So this one, it jumped because I added a box. So there's a little X here. So we can remove that box. Are you sure you want to move it? Yes, we do. So it's there. So we're going to call it a gray car. And lot 4, gray car, low kilometers. Let's say we're in Canada, it's low kilometers or miles, whatever. Beautiful car. A beautiful car. Only driven on Sundays. And if I can spell checker here to put driven. Okay, it's either used, that's for sure. And we want to start this one at $1,000. It's doing, we're going to leave the donation box back. You can put in a value. I'm going to put in priceless. And location out front. And click save. So we're added a number of items already through this. So everything looks good. I think we're good there. So let's just go back and let's edit something. And that's by just clicking on edit view your products. And we'll probably have this sort of showing another place also, another video on how to edit a product. But you can sort of see, I'm just going to make the screen wider here. You can see this is the edit button. This is if you want to go in and view it. This is if you want to archive it and pull it out of the auction. This is if you want to garbage it right away. And this is if you want to duplicate it. In other words, you have 2 of the very same and you want to sell them. So for this one, we're just going to edit. So you just go over here and click on the edit screen. And you're right back in here. And we'll say, let's say with a bag of wood pellets. And that's okay. And we want to start it at $10. But ABC company, we were wrong. It wasn't that person right now. And we had a good look at it and it's only worth $200. So let's click and save it. So you just saved that unit. So from here, you can go edit the other pieces, or you can edit the very next lot. So if we go edit the very next lot, it comes up right away. So we're here, table, and well, let's say we want to call it a large table. We want to put in the word new, large table. And I think that's really all we want to do on that one. So we'll just click save again and submit. So that's good. If you want to go to the next one, you can do that. If you want to go back, you can do that one. You can edit. And that's just going to pick the list again that we had right here. And we can say, okay, let's go back in here and edit this one. And but we'll say, we're going to add in the word new. So you can do anything. And again, we save and submit. So that's edit. You can add multiple products all at once, and that's the very same as the other screen, but it just gives you more options. Like you can add a product here. So let's do it. You can see your auction name here. Let's pick another item. And let's go back here to, we're going to select the files. And let's go with a barbecue set. We're only going to bring in one picture this time. Click on the bottom here, and then you can say barbecue set. And here your new description, new barbecue set. And we're going to call it new this time. Starting price is okay. Buy now price, nothing there. Donated, no. We're not going to put we'll put in $100, $100 for that. And we're good there. So you can save it, or you can add another one right away. And I forgot, you can see it up there. So let's, so this is product 2. Again, we recommend that you save often so that you don't lose it. But the point is that we want to show that you can put in an item using, it's just another way of doing it. So this one is a fridge. Fridge. And we'll paste that. And we won't put anything in here. So we're just going to go save it all. And both of those pieces. So what we're doing is just adding it accordingly. We're going to go up to this, view your auction page, just to see the things that we had added. Now we've hidden the products, so that's why they don't show. So then you go back up here and you go into your auction setup, and you want to hide the auction. Whoops. You want to hide the auction, but you want to unhide the products. So make sure you save that. And click on your view your auction, and let's see if they show. Yeah, there they are right there, the items that we've been adding. You also can go and edit them right from this screen if you want to, and that takes you right back into the edit field. And I'm just going to save it. I'm not going to edit anything. And then it gets you back into the edit. So that's how you can add items. You can add them here, and there'll be other videos on editing and so on. You can add multiple ones at a time. You can add easy add. This is for your phone. That'll be a separate one also. And you can import products. That's a separate one. But what also I'm going to touch on here just quickly is how you can change the order. Say we don't like the order that we're in, where we're going to pick our auction that we have. And okay, we don't like the order. So we want to put this one down here, this fridge. And it's just a drag and drop. You know, we want it in second spot. The barbecue wood pellets, no, let's move it down. Let's put the fridge up front. You also can click on this little pencil icon right here, and you can just type in amount or use the amount and say, nope, we want it to be second. So you have to save it there. And of course, you always have to save your new display order. So then this is a new display order, and you just click up here, view your auctions, and you'll see the new display order here. You know, all this, we had moved them all around the way we wanted, like that. And to go back, you go back to your auction setup. So this video has been on how to add products, how to bring in pictures, how to edit your pictures. We haven't touched on duplicate, but we'll probably cover that on another video. This is Keith from Silent Auction Biz. If you have any questions, please contact us. Our information's at the bottom.